Good morning to all of you. I'm Kiran from class 10th.
I'm Vinyas from class 10.
I'm Himanshu from class 10.
And we are from Delhi Public School, Hisar.
Roads and highways are the backbone of any country's economy and development. A well-developed infrastructure with highways will not only provide the good means of transport, but it also provides the speedy and safe transport of goods, services, and human resources from one place to another.
Construction of highways is the topmost priority of a government as it links extreme parts of the country. Moving on a highway brings us up one major problem, which is accident while crossing roads, and other problems like pollution, costly fuel, and traffic, which is a hindrance in a smooth journey.
So in our project, we have tried to solve these problems. In this crossroad, there is no need of signal that will save our time and consumption of fuel. And also, it is constructed in such a way that will reduce the chance of accidents.
If a vehicle has to go from south to north, can use this elevation and go to north by this way. And if a vehicle has to go from south to east, can use this elevation and go to east by this way. This side lane is for south to west like this, and this is for west to north like this. We have also provided EV charging stations here and there.
As you can see, we have provided lots of light, but these are not just common road lights. In the main highway, we have provided light with IR sensor. The use of these light is used to sense the vehicle approaching, and it will automatically turn it off. As the vehicle passes by, it will automatically turn it off. In the side roads, we have provided light with LDR sensor. These light will reduce human effort and energy consumption, as these sensors will turn off the light automatically after sunrise and turn on the light automatically after sunset.
Let me show you the demonstration of LDR first. As you can see, these lights are glowing, and this is LDR sensor. When I put flashlight on this, all lights stop, and when I remove the flashlights, all start glowing. Now let me show you the working of IR sensors. We have installed 4 IR sensors in this project. Here, 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 and here. We have removed our overbridge for better viewing experience. As you can see, the lights are not glowing now. When vehicle approaches the sensor, the bulbs will start glowing, and vehicle passes, they will off.
Our project emphasizes on sustainable development. That's why we provide the green areas like village, commercial complex, industry, and the thermal power plant. Smart highways with signal-free crossroad would facilitate the future activities and help the next generation in saving time. It will also reduce the chances of accident and saves lives by controlling the traffic problem. It will also boost economic development as well. Thank you.